Are you missing Chinese food because of our protocol's ingredient limitations?
Ni hao, get your wok ready because we are stir frying all the way, celebrating the Chinese New Year with these iconic Chinese classics: Lotus Root stir fry and stir fry Bok Choy with garlic AIP version. Salute everyone, and Kamye Pak Choy. Happy Chinese New Year, the year of the snake. Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace, a full-time laboratory scientist navigating through the early stages of Hashimoto's disease and now an AIP recipe detective. The goal of this channel is to help those who are in the autoimmune protocol journey or those who are just simply looking into anti-inflammatory or clean recipes, of having options and substitution ideas, of still being able to cook our favorite dishes with AIP compliant ingredients. But before we get into action, please do me a favor of subscribing and sharing the contents of this channel.
Our first dish, the lotus stir fry. Lotus root is the stem of a lotus plant with a sausage-like links or segments. One of the most loved vegetables in Asia, especially in Chinese cooking due to its crisp consistency and tasty characteristics. It has a crunchy texture when stir-fry and soft potato-like when boiled, available in mainstream Asian grocery stores or markets. In this recipe, we will include the wood ear mushroom for additional color and flavor. So let's rehydrate a few pieces into a small bowl to prepare it ahead. To prepare our lotus root, simply cut off the ends and peel using a peeler. Slice thinly by a knife or a mandolin slicer. This will be about 400 grams yield of peeled and sliced lotus root. Our mushroom should be rehydrated by now and ready to be cut. Next is to prepare our sauce to use later during the cooking of our lotus root by combining the following ingredients into a small bowl: a quarter cup of chicken stock, 2 teaspoons of our AIP oyster sauce. Watch for the future tutorial of that recipe. A half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon of coconut palm sugar, and we warm this for about 10 seconds in the microwave and then we mix it well. Into a pot, fill it up to thirds with water and bring this to a boil. And we load the lotus root and the rehydrated wood ear mushroom to blanch it for about 45 seconds and then we drain it. In a small cup, we combine a half teaspoon of arrowroot starch, which serves as a thickening agent, mixed with a tablespoon of water. Now let's get ready stir frying. Into the wok, over medium heat, we add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And we add the garlic, ginger, and scallions. Stir a few times. And we add the blanched vegetables. Stir fry for a minute. Add the sauce mixture. Stir fry for the next 30 seconds. To let the sauce simmer. To the cup with the arrowroot starch and water mixture, stir it well, making sure that the arrowroot has not settled before adding. And we stir fry for the next 20 seconds until sauce coats the vegetable. And serve. Ready for the second dish? The stir-fry bok choy with garlic. Let us first prepare the stir-fry sauce, Since this cooking process is quick, so we'll have it ready. Into a small bowl, we will combine 2 tablespoons of our coconut aminos, 2 teaspoons of our AIP oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of coconut palm sugar. For larger bok choy like this, we cut the bottom of the stem. Wash the bok choy real good and drain the excess water using a salad spinner. Slice the thick white stem from the leaf, separating them, and slice the white stem into smaller cuts. Into our wok, over medium heat, we add a tablespoon of avocado oil and then our ginger and garlic. Saute for a few minutes and we add the sliced white stems. Add a few dashes of salt and a sprinkle of coconut palm sugar. Stir until the vegetable is tender. Remove the cooked stems and repeat steps using the remaining bok choy leaves, of course with garlic and ginger. Stir for a few minutes, adding a tablespoon of water occasionally to keep it moist. Sprinkle a few dashes of salt and coconut palm sugar. We've finished cooking and we will combine all the cooked bok choy to plate. And finish by drizzling our prepared sauce from earlier and serve. And our favorite part, chow time. How chi, indeed. Quite a gastronomic cultural adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, our stir-fry dishes, Lotus Root stir-fry and stir-fry bok choy with garlic, loaded with fibers and minerals, so please give these tasty dishes a try. Until next week, be healed and be blessed. 再见。